This is Ada with IFAT. Step aboard the Celebrity Beyond, where luxury meets the open sea. From the sun-soaked rooftop gardens to the immersive dining experiences, this isn't just a cruise. It's a floating resort like no other. Discover the elegance, excitement, and exclusive spaces that redefine relaxation at sea. Ready to explore the extraordinary? Let's dive in. Welcome aboard Celebrities Beyond, a ship designed to be a floating luxury resort. Its sleek, modern aesthetics, carefully curated spaces, this cruise offers a perfect blend of relaxation, entertainment, and indulgence. Today, we're going to take a look at an exclusive tour of its breathtaking interior. Celebrity Beyond is all about maximizing space and light. The natural palette, luxurious material, floor-to-ceiling windows create an open and inviting atmosphere. No matter where you go, you feel connected to the surrounding ocean, seamlessly blending indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Now, the Grand Plaza is the heart of the ship, a stunning 3-story space inspired by urban plazas. By day, it's perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee. But by night, this vibrant area transforms into a lively entertainment hub, with performances and flair bartending around the famous Martini Bar. Oh, and I think Magic Carpet is one of Celebrity Beyond's most unique features. This movable deck offers a flexible venue serving as an open-air bar, a lounge, or even the setting for dinner on the edge. A dining experience with breathtaking sea views. And I think they make the best drinks on the ship. And this is the rooftop garden, and live plants and playful sculptures offer a refreshing escape. By day, it's the perfect place to unwind with a drink or a book. At night, it becomes live with live music, movie screening, casual barbecue dining at the Rooftop Garden Grill. Now, Eden is a transformative 3-deck venue designed to immerse guests into nature and entertainment. During the day, it's a tranquil space for relaxation, but at nightfall, it turns into an enchanted venue with experimental performances and multi-sensory dining at Eden's Restaurant. The Retreat is an exclusive space for suite guests, offering private pools, sun decks, and lounges. With 24/7 butler service and access to Luminé, a restaurant curated by the Michelin star chef David Boudlud, the Retreat redefines luxury at sea. There's a little bit more to come, but I'd like to thank you for watching this long and let you know that if you are interested in a cruise, please give me a call, me or my agents. 855-229-5723. Please like and subscribe. And thank you. Bye-bye. The resort deck is an ultimate relaxation area, featuring a martini glass hot tub and a stunning pool. Guests seeking a quiet spa-like atmosphere can enjoy a tranquil solarium, an enclosed glass pool area for adults only. For those feeling lucky, the casino offers a chic, modern atmosphere with a range of games from poker to blackjack. It's a great spot for gaming or for simply unwinding with a drink in one of the nearby lounges. Celebrity Beyond offers 4 complimentary dining rooms, each with a unique theme: Normandy, French-inspired cuisine; Cosmopolitan, modern American dishes; Cyprus, Mediterranean flavors with focus on seafood; Tuscan, rustic, Italian fare featuring fresh pasta and pizza. Specialty dining. For an elevated dining experience, Celebrity Beyond offers several specialty restaurants. Le Voyage by Daniel Boudlud, a sophisticated fine dining experience. Fine Cut, steakhouse premium steaks and seafood in a luxurious setting. Raw on 5, fresh sushi and seafood delicacies. La Petite Chef, a playful interactive dining experience with animated chefs projected onto the table. And for those who love outdoors, the Roof Garden Grill serves barbecue-style dishes with a panoramic ocean view.